Good morning, students. Today let us study reflection of light. First, reflection of light, its definition. It is the returning back of light in the same medium when light falls on an opaque object or polished surface. Polished surface such as plane mirror, opaque object such as ground or wall or table or chair, anything through which light cannot pass through. So let us see how reflection of light takes place. So when a ray of light falls on a polished surface, for example plane mirror M dash, which is the reflecting surface. So when the incident ray AO, this falls on the reflecting surface at a point O. This point is known as point of incidence. Then that light ray returns back, that is reflects back in the same medium. You can see it is the same medium. What is that medium? It is air, which is the same medium on both the sides. And this OB is the reflected ray. So you can find the incident ray and the reflected ray both lie in the same medium. You can find this dotted line, which is the normal. So this normal is an imaginary line perpendicular to the reflecting surface. So we can find here that the incident ray forms an angle I, which is known as angle of incidence with respect to the normal, and the reflected ray, that is OB, that also forms an angle with respect to the normal, which is denoted as small r, angle of reflection. So once again, let us repeat reflection of light. It is the returning back of light in the same medium when light falls on an opaque object or polished surface. So what is the polished surface? Polished surface is the plane mirror which reflects the incident ray and in the same medium. Thus we can find the incident ray and the reflected ray in the same medium. On this basis, we can devise the two laws of reflection of light. The two laws of reflection of light are, the first one, incident ray, reflected ray and normal are in the same plane. Are in the same plane. You can see the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal, all these are in the same plane and same medium. The second law of reflection of light is that angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. You can find here these two angles are similar. If this angle I is 45 degree, then angle R will also be 45 degree. That means angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. That is angle I is equal to angle R. So these are the two laws of reflection of light. So once again let us repeat reflection of light. It is the returning back of light in the same medium when light falls on an opaque object or polished surface. The polished surface is plane mirror M dash, which is the reflecting surface. Why it is a reflecting surface? Because when any light ray falls on it, it gets reflected back in the same medium and the same plane. On this basis, we devise two laws of reflection of light. The two laws are incident ray, reflected ray and the normal all lie in the same plane and same medium. And second, angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. That is angle I is equal to angle R. That's all for today. Thank you.